What is Laplace transformation? It is a linear operator of a function ft with a real argument t greater and equal to 0 that transforms ft to a function fs with complex argument s. Mathematically, Laplace transformation is expressed as where ft is the function with real argument, fs is the function with complex argument, t is real argument, s is complex argument. The Laplace transformation is applicable to piecewise continuous function. The piecewise continuous function is as shown. There is an alternate notation for Laplace transforms. For the sake of convenience, we'll often denote Laplace transforms as. Related terms are